Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons and today I'm going to be doing another update video. As you can see, I'm pretty excited. I am 90% saved up for Amazon FBA. Dude, hell yeah. Freaking, honestly, I'm so happy right now, and we're going to write down a few of the reasons why this is such a big deal. And you can go back and watch some of my other videos on FBA, entrepreneurship, the start of my journey, and this really is the start of everything. This is going to kick off my life pretty much, and it's just so exciting. So the first reason, we'll put it down here, is this is potentially going to be my full-time job. And as an entrepreneur starting off, I'm 16 years old. I can do FBA and I can earn and make enough money to not even need a 9 to 5 before I reach the age in which I'll need a 9 to 5. Try and think about how crazy that is. Think about all the 18-year-olds, 19-year-olds currently having 9 to 5 jobs, trying to get into entrepreneurship to get out of the job, whereas I can make that my income and my job before I even reach that age I need one. And that is mind-blowing. Next, this is the most money I've ever had in my bank account. I'm super proud to say this because as a 16-year-old, you don't really expect me to have much money, but in my bank account right now, I'm so happy with how I've earned it from my freelance design business. If you ever need a service for brand identity for your Amazon business, I can do your logo, your packaging. I'm so proud that I've got more money than I've ever had in my bank account, and I'm gonna invest it, which is scary because obviously it's my life savings, but hopefully it's worth it. And even if it isn't, I'll still be proud that I actually invested it, but we're hoping it goes right. And also, the last key thing to why, being so close to starting FBA, why this is such a big deal for me, is it's one step closer to financial freedom. And this is something everybody wants. But as a 16-year-old, we don't typically want financial freedom. Most 16-year-olds around me, they spend their money on shoes and phones and computers and tops, and they don't care about money. And then a few years down the line, when they're thinking, crap, I shouldn't have spent it on shoes and coats and whatever. So the fact that I'm going to be investing my money into this business is one step closer to financial freedom, to set my future self up, because not a lot of people think about that, and that's why they spend money on shoes, because they're not thinking, hang on, if I just keep this in my bank, or which is bad, if I invest this for more money in the future, I'm going to be able to buy as many shoes as I like. So I'm really happy about all these three things, and be sure to leave a comment where you are in your process. And if you're wondering how I learned FBA to jump in it like this, just waiting for me to be saved up enough, go to the link in the description. It's Johnny Bradley's Amazon FBA course, and tons of people have been joining it, which is super cool to see, because it literally is so valuable. It's so helpful. It will teach you how to make FBA your living, and that's why I'm so excited to start. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you're excited like me, and I'll catch you in the next video.